Hi guys, Brian here. Today, I'm actually going to be unboxing and reviewing this T-Rex ambush pack. This includes the T-Rex, Dr. Ian Malcolm, and this truck. It's a legacy collection. On the back, here's all the info. And also you can scan the T-Rex. Let's open this up. This is a box, so you have to open this. Here's where you open. You have to actually manually use your hands and open up this one piece. It's gonna start damaging the box. Okay, got this mains open. Alright. Here's the background that comes with. The bottom, there are those screws. Have to get rid of those. Way you do with these. Alright. This one's actually a hard unboxing, but let me put all this trash. So these knobs, you have to take this. There we go. Take this off. So these have these little knobs. I don't know if you can see these little knob thingies right here. They get to lift them up and then you turn. Same thing with this other one here. Alright. Oh gosh, this is stuck. For these ones, these two, you get to turn them like this, and then they'll come off. The other one, alright, now everything's loose in there. Alright, let's see. Oh, have to open the wire. Here's the T-Rex itself. Alright, show off this T-Rex. So you need to manually connect the tail. There's that hole to align it. There we go. Uh-oh, wait. You hear a click. Oh, it's already put it in. So this T-Rex is a green T-Rex from the Lost World. It's mainly green, but you can also see this beige with all these lime green stripes. The feet. This looks cool. Articulation. Neck moves pretty solidly. This for some reason this head moves. Oh, never mind. The head does move. Neck, arms too, so you can see the arms can move like that. The legs, one of my favorite parts. The clicking looks good. Move this leg. Yeah. And the feet do move too. The tail is on a ball joint, pretty much. There's a button here, and if you press the button, oh, there we go. He actually opens his mouth. Alright, there we go. And the scan code is right here. Alright, and how he stands? Nice. Pretty much the big ones stand perfectly. Here's the truck itself. Oh gosh, you got a lot of wiring on this one. Oh. Alright, I gotta cut these open. Alright, that was hard, but I already got them. Oh, there we go. So here's the doors that open. There's another one of these things I have to cut. There we go. Come on. So here, this looks cool. The doors open up. Might look like a Jeep. I'm pretty sure it's a truck. This has this little window right here. All the detail, like this nice camouflage-like detail. Does roll compared to the T-Rex, it rolls. Figure's also in here too, so to get him out. There you go, here's the arm. Just take him out of the box. This guy's a bit hard to take him out because I don't want to actually damage him. He's like strapped inside it, and the legs are easy with this waist piece. Oh no, I don't want to cut myself. I don't use much scissors. And the only reason why I'm doing this is because I'm good. Here is the figure. The detail of the hair and torso, legs. The articulation is simple, just rotation of the head, arms, the waist. They can move, and all the legs, articulation, so it looks like they could be running. Let's put him inside the car. You can put him inside this car. Put him inside. Let's see. There he is in the car. And you can have the T-Rex chasing him, something like that. I like this T-Rex because it's a green color. I like the color green. You can, I think you can put the T-Rex like scratching on it if it's very close. Overall, I like this set. And not to mention the background looks cool as well with the rainforest lush region. Yeah, that's what I have to tell you about. Pretty much, that's all I have to talk about this set. Actually, we might. I like those details of both of these ones, but this is what I have to say about this set. It's very cool, and like this video, subscribe, and please don't send hate.